to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with this life, like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, oh, oh. And when I fall to be right when I wait to save me, a superhero in your sleep. A superhero in your sleep. You called my soul when I was falling. You moved the clouds to stop me from hitting the ground. And every goal there was a meaning. For this love ain't kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, oh, oh. And when I fall to be right when I wait to save me, a superhero in your sleep.
Hey guys, and thank you again for watching another video. Sorry I've been quite busy for the past couple of years, so I haven't really been uploading. This was template for the paper Nautilus Balisong. It's fairly simple and straightforward. So the top section is just for the handle and the bottom section is for the blade. They're separated so you can determine the thickness you want for each. And I guess as usual, 100 likes I'll probably make a tutorial. I don't know, since it is fairly simple I'd say. But yeah, thank you again for watching. Hang out with me on my Discord or if you have any other video suggestions, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.